Have you ever noticed how just one spoon of a simple natural ingredient can make a struggling plant look alive again? It almost feels like nature is quietly working behind the scenes. Leaves begin turning greener, stems grow stronger, and new buds seem to appear when you least expect them. Today, I'll show you a simple homemade plant booster made with rice, oats, and one powerful golden ingredient. First, add 1 spoon of raw rice to 500 milliliters of water. Rice slowly releases natural starch along with nutrients that help support root development and encourage healthy green growth. Now add 1 spoon of oats to the same water. Oats provide organic matter that feeds beneficial soil microbes, improves moisture retention, and helps roots stay healthier for longer. Next, add 1 spoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric contains natural compounds that help support soil health and create a cleaner environment around plant roots, encouraging stronger and more resilient growth. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is the secret step many people skip. Sugar feeds beneficial microorganisms, helping them multiply during fermentation and making the solution more effective for plant growth. Close the jar and leave it in a warm place for 2 to 3 days. During this time, natural fermentation creates helpful microbes that support plant vigor. After 2 to 3 days, strain the liquid. Mix 1 part of the solution with 5 parts water. Pour the diluted liquid directly into the soil around your plants. As it soaks in, it helps nourish roots, improve nutrient availability, and support healthier growth. For faster results, pour some of the same diluted liquid into a spray bottle and mist the leaves. This helps leaves absorb beneficial nutrients and promotes a greener appearance. Use this once every 2 weeks. Soon you'll notice healthier plants, stronger growth, and more blooms. Sometimes plants don't need more fertilizer, they simply need the right natural support. Thanks for watching.